Hey guys, just wanted to share a video with you guys. I have a 92 Civic as well, and I wanted to get an exhaust for it. So I just went the cheap route and I got an eBay exhaust. I think it's DNA or something like that. But I didn't like the way it sounded at first, so I bought a magnaflow muffler, and I wanted to share with you guys the difference in sound. So the first clip is going to be the without the muffler, and then the second one's going to be with the muffler. This is the magnaflow muffler I got. It's not a good picture, but it's a weld-on type muffler, so just in case you guys want to get it. So overall, I like the way it sounds with the magnaflow muffler. I paid about $150, $160 for the eBay exhaust, and then another $60 on the magnaflow muffler, so around $200. I mean, the eBay exhaust came with the headers and the full exhaust system. I just replaced the muffler on it. So, I mean, overall, I think it was good. Let me know what you guys think.